The job you're about to watch will join two concrete areas with a wet pour rubber surface, demonstrating how to wet pour and how easy it is. Preparing wet pour is simple. You'll need rubber crumb, a rubber mixer and a wheelbarrow. Rubber crumb is available in a range of colors. Just add glue, mix and empty the mix. Rubber wet pour applies easily over any surface with appropriate site preparation. To wet pour you'll need gloves, a trowel and trowel lubricant. As long as your trowel is properly lubricated, the rubber wet pour will spread easily over the surface you're covering without sticking to your trowel. Simply pour the rubber wet pour mixture over the area you wish to cover and trowel out as you would cement or other mortars. For large flat areas, screed leveling bars should be used. Rubber wet pour is easily molded into the shape you require and will hold its form without the need for extra support while setting. The mixture will set quickly and can be used the next day. It is extremely versatile, able to be used in almost any application both indoors and outdoors, offering excellent non-slip and impact-absorbing properties. Once you've spread the wet pour mixture over the area you wish to cover, simply continue by tamping your trowel for a firm result. Once that's done, you're ready to refine your wet pour surface. And to refine your surface, you will need a finishing trowel and trowel lubricant. Refining your surface is simply done by smoothing out your attempt trailing marks with a metal finishing trowel. Rubber wet pour is suitable for a variety of applications including pathways, playgrounds, pool surrounds, and any other area that requires an attractive non-slip surface. Rubberway dual-layer rubber running tracks consist of a base layer made from 100% recycled post-consumer rubber, topped with a half-color wear layer made from virgin rubber that is colored throughout. This colored virgin rubber wear layer ensures a UV-resistant, long-lasting, color-fast surface. Rubber running track allows joggers and athletes to exercise safely while being able to support wheelchairs, strollers, and bicycles as well. It is available in a wide variety of colors. In addition to decreased wear and tear on the body, synthetic rubber track surfaces also increases running speeds when compared with running track surfaces composed of other materials. Carpel Surfaces has gained an excellent reputation for supplying and installing state-of-the-art synthetic turf and natural rubber coatings in sports facilities throughout Canada. Expertise comprises installations of multi-sports fields, athletic tracks as well as safety surfaces for playgrounds. the type of track surface affect running performance? The types of running track surface can affect players' speed, technique, and physical health. While a comfortable surface can improve the running experience, a hard surface can wear down your body over time, particularly your joints. Over time, running surfaces for organized track events have evolved. Many competitive tracks are now made of rubber or a rubber compound. While more initially expensive than other materials, rubber and polyurethane track surfaces are durable and offer enhanced athletic performance. Advantages of a rubber surfaces are: 1. Porosity of the surface provides rapid drainage and quick drying. 2. Resilience reduces impact on body joints. 3. Comfortable surface for walking and jogging. 4. Safe, non-slip surface with high friction. 5. Made from recycled and regional materials. 6. Variety of systems, colors, and design options are available. This video, do us a favor by pressing the subscribe button. Don't forget there are also some fantastic gifts and prizes for our subscribers. That's all for now. Which of the products or ideas did you like most? Share that with us in the comment section. Subscribe and like the video if you enjoyed it. Your subscription motivates us to produce more interesting videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time.